want to take cover, we got plenty of cover. Pavilion, souvenir stand, under the grandstands. We don't blame you if you do. Hopefully you came equipped, raincoats, the whole deal. Yeah, man, we're ready. Are you ready for Super Stox? 12-lap feature on Night of Thrills. Oh! The key is going to be eggshells. Eggshells. Go slow to go fast. Turn right to turn left and all that sort of stuff. 3 wide for the lead out of turn 4. Side by side now. Tyler Lontnegger, the 87, and the 58 of Alan Robinson going at it for the lead. March of the Turtles in the Super Stox. Lontnegger looks for the lead in turn 3 and 4 in the 87. Robinson on the inside in the 58. Robinson to the lead at the line by an eyelash. 87 of Gus Morzell, that brown car in third. Here comes fourth on back out of turn 4 right now. Lap traffic on the backstretch. Lap traffic on the backstretch. Lontnegger back to the lead. Close racing in the rain with the Super Stox. I've never seen a race in the rain here before. I want you to know that. This is new. There we go. Leaders work in the back. They're still side by side for the lead. Robinson back to the lead in the 58 car. We're getting towards halfway in the Super Stock feature here tonight. Whoa, look at this. Power sliding out of the corner. This is nuts. Hey, your leaders, the 58 of Robinson, the 87 of Lontnegger. Sideways out of turn 2. Back to the lead goes the 87. Tyler Lontnegger in the 87 back to the lead. He's won one of these four. We got trouble in turn 4. Oh my! Looking the wrong way. I don't know about you, but I've kind of lost track of what's happening by this point. Here come your leaders now at turn 4. The 87 of Tyler Lontnegger, the 58 of Alan Robinson. They are free and clear of the rest of the field by a lot. 12-lap Super Stock race getting towards the end here. Tyler Lontnegger, your leader, lapping more cars coming out of turn 4. Just a couple to go. Leader on the back straightaway, Lontnegger in the 87. Super Stox. Good thing a few of them kept their wipers. That's all I gotta say. Starter Jeff Stringer got the white flag in hand. It'll be one more to go when your leader, Tyler Lontnegger in the 87, gets back to the line. He's over in turn 3 and 4. One to go in a Super Stock feature. They tiptoe. They're doing a pretty good job. I'm not going to lie to you. Here he comes, your winner of the Super Stox, Tyler Lontnegger. It's nuts. I'll get a quick word with your winner here, I believe. We are also, by the way, going to alter the order a little bit. We're going to get some thrill events out here after we talk to the winner. We're going to do some wild stuff in the rain. He's trying, just in case we don't do a smoky burnout contest, I suppose. We'll get him in the infield, get his pictures, and we'll move along. We won't talk to him, but we'll give him his propers when he gets out of the car. Your winner of the Super Stock feature tonight. He's out of the car. I'm on it for Tyler Ludnager. Tyler Ludnager out of Monroe, Wisconsin, the winner of the Super Stock Race in the Rain. They did pretty good in the rain, didn't they? I mean, I really had visions of bad things happening there. And they did good. So we're supposed to have the Sixer race next. We are holding that for now because 24 of those in this condition is probably not going to go real well, right? Probably not. So we're going to get back to the thrills here. We're going to see what comes a rolling out. I think I know, but we're going to let it happen organically. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.